hair got damaged by the K-tip, but it wasn't the K-tip, it was my fault. I'm in Turkey getting my hair done. I did the K-tips. I'm doing a whole YouTube video on my experience here in Turkey and how much it cost me. You won't even believe how much I paid, including the hair. I have not been here 20 minutes. They washed my hair, got it done. When I got my installation, it was only 2 hours. I had 3 people working on my hair. Hey guys, this is Jamie from Salon 809. Here on this video, I'm going to show you how I completely damaged my hair by getting the K-tips hair extensions. But guess what? I got them done again, and I am here in Istanbul, and I'm going to show you the entire process. You're going to see my hair, how damaged my hair is from the K-tip, but I came and got them done again. So make sure that you stay until the end so you can see what was it that I did to mess up my hair. If you're not following us, make sure that you follow. I am here. I give education about hair extensions. We are located in Maryland. Give us a like, leave us a comment, and follow us. Bye. So I just want to show you my hair that I actually messed up because of a bad removal of K-tips. I am here getting my K-tips again, but it was my fault because I removed the hair the wrong way. So come with me to Turkey to get my hair extensions put back in. Look, this is what it looks now. This is what it look like later. I did a bad removal of K-tips and look how my hair looks. But here I am again doing it again because I know it wasn't the K-tip that damaged my hair. It was the bad removal that I did because I didn't have any patience to remove it. And I'm going to tell you what I did during this video and what not to do. Don't ever blame the extensions. Blame how you treat extensions, how you remove them. Even though that I know better, I made a mistake. Now ladies, I am now done with my K-tips, and I did them again because I know it was my fault that I didn't remove them correctly. And so yeah, we're done. Hey guys, so I already got my hair extensions here in Istanbul, and now I am going, as you can see, my hair is a total mess because I've been here about 10 days, and now I'm going to the hair salon so I can get a blowout. So I'm going to record some more and show you, and then I'm going to tell you a little more why the K-tips destroy my hair, but I still got them done again because it wasn't the extension that destroyed my hair. I'll tell you more about it once I sit down. So right now I'm gonna find a beauty salon. There are plenty of hair salons here in Istanbul, in this area where I'm staying. And I'm just gonna pick one and go because the ones that I've seen, they know how to do blowouts here. It's amazing. I was so impressed. They have the technique completely down. I'm gonna show you a little more about where I'm staying in Istanbul. That's by the water. They have a lot of construction here. I know that's off topic, but I thought you may wanted to know. Anyways, so once I get to the beauty salon, I'll keep recording. Okay, this is a cutesy neighborhood. Actually, I should have been on the other side because there is a hair salon on that side. I feel like I live here. This is my third time in Istanbul, and this is my second time getting the K-tips here. And I just love them for the simple reason that they are so undetectable. I was so impatient last time. That's a beauty salon there, but I think I'm gonna go to one that's further up. They are updating all of these apartment buildings. It's so cutesy over here. Anyways, it's hot. That's a hair salon. I got my hair color last time, so that's why you see the color there. Real fun. One thing that the lady did when she was washing my hair was that she didn't put the conditioner on my scalp, which it's really good. Estoy en Turquía haciéndome el pelo. Me hice los K-tips y ahora me estoy haciendo el pelo. Me hicieron un blower en menos de 20 minutos. Aquí son dos gente que se ponen a trabajar y de una te sacan. Aquí no, tú no esperas, aquí todo el mundo trabaja. Hola, hola, estoy en Turquía haciéndome el pelo. I'm in Turkey getting my hair done. I did the K-tips, me hice los K-tips y ahora me estoy haciendo un blowout. Y when I did my K-tips, it was the same thing. It was 3 people actually getting my hair done. And I got my K-tips done in less than 2 hours. And that's the beauty about Istanbul. I've been here 3 times already, and anytime you go to a business, everybody is all hands-on. Even restaurants, every place that you go here in Istanbul, everybody's just focused on their work, focused on what they do, and getting the client out, getting the client happy, paying attention to everything. Again, and it completely destroyed my hair. I mean, I had no hair. It's so embarrassing. I didn't know what to do. I was so embarrassed. I got a sew-in, which I've never done before. I didn't know what to do with my hair. I was sad. I was crying. I was in tears. And this is why I understand my clients, because I've been through it all, guys. I've been through it all. And so I'm here in Istanbul. I got them done again. The reason why I got them done again, I just told you, it was my fault. It was the improper removal that damaged my hair. So next time I'm not going to do it that way. I got the K-tips done before and never had an issue. So I know that it was my fault. I'm showing you the whole process. I'm telling you what not to do, what to do, Brazilian knots, K-tips, any method of hair extension that you get done, you have to go to the professionals, okay? But let me clarify, I will not do what I did to myself to any of my clients. If I don't have the proper agent to remove or the proper tools to do a removal, to do an installation, we will not do it. Okay. But I did it because it was my hair. I take the risk. Same thing when I go get other hair extensions done and go to other salons to try and have them do the hair. I take the risk for you. It's not at the expense of any of my clients. So I learn for you so you don't make the mistakes. Anyway, so that's all I got. Make sure you follow.